7:30 p.m. and we discuss grade 7 MYP syllabus. Now to make the confusion go away, grade 7 syllabus is more or less uniform across all the curriculums. So this is not specific to just IB MYP. This can be also used. Sorry. So this can be used for any seventh grade by any seventh grade student. And if you are having any difficulties in your basic mathematics, which is the seventh grade mathematics, which builds your foundation on top of that is the foundation which is built for your 10th grade, you can always visit our channel and go through the playlist that we have. And the playlist has all the previous videos also. Okay, so since last time we have started discussing percentage, and we have done how what are percentages, how to convert fractions into percentage or decimals into percentage. Today we are going to do increase and decrease in percentage. Okay, so when we say increase or decrease, so we have a total quantity, we have the percentage by which it is increasing or decreasing, and we have to find what will happen once the quantity is increased or decreased. So let's take an example. Let's say we have 5,000 increased by 20%. Now there are two ways of doing it. First is calculate 20% of 5,000. So like we discussed in our last video, it is 5,000 multiplied by 20 over 100. So that is going to give you 1,000. Okay. Then the percentage increase or just increase is going to be equal to 5,000 plus 1,000, that is equal to 6,000. Okay. Now this is one way of doing it. Another way is, see, 20% means 100 plus 20 over 100. Increase of 20% means 100 plus 20 over 100. So that is going to be 1.2. So increase of 20% can also be written as 5,000 into 1.2. So that is going to give you 6,000. Okay. So these are two ways of doing it. First, you calculate the percentage and then add or subtract depending on whether it is increase or decrease. Or first you add the percentage and then multiply the amount by that. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do a decrease question also. Okay. So let's say we have 80,000 decreased by 12%. Now, before I proceed with this, I use Hayes and Harris MYP's grade 7 book. You can easily find it in any bookstore or on Amazon. Okay. So let's say it is a decrease by 12%. So we'll use our first method. So 12% of 80,000 is equal to 80,000 multiplied by 12 over 100, which is equal to 9,600 or 9,600. In the second one, we are going to do 100 minus 12. We have not finished it yet. So the decrease is going to be 80,000 minus 9,600, and that is going to be 70,400. Now, when we are doing the other method, we are going to do 100 plus 12 over 100. That is going to give you 1.12. So decrease, equal to 80,000 multiplied by 1.12. that is equal to again 70400. Sorry, not 1.12. This is 1000 minus 12, so it is going to be 0.88. 0.88, and it is going to be multiplied by 0.88. That is going to be equal to 70400. Okay, so this is how you calculate the increase and decrease in the, sorry, my eye is bothering me today. Then let's do few more examples. Let's say we have increased by 8,000, increased by 15%. So first we will calculate 15% of 8,000 is 15 by 1000 or 100. So it is going to be 8,000 multiplied by 15 divided by 100, which is equal to 1200. And then we are going to add this 1200. So increased quantity is going to be 8,000 plus 1200, which is equal to 9200. Other method is going to be 8,000 multiplied by 100 plus 15 over 100, which is equal to 8,000 multiplied by 1.15. Let's see if we put this in calculator, what do we get? 9200. Okay, now let's see, we have 25,000 decreased by 30%. So what is going to be 30% of 25,000? It's 25,000 multiplied by 30 over 100, which is equal to 7500, if I'm not wrong. Let's confirm it on the calculator. Now this is decreased percentage, so we are going to find out how much we have to subtract. So decreased amount is going to be 25,000 minus 7,500, which is equal to 17,500. Now if we use this second method, we will get 25,000 multiplied by 100 minus 30 over 100. So that is equal to 25,000 multiplied by 0.7, which is equal to 17,500. So this is how we calculate the increase and decrease of values using percentage. Now the natural, so what we are going to do is we are going to solve a word problem. Okay, so we are going to take this as a So it says find the overall effect of increasing a quantity by 20% each year for 3 successive years. So we are going to see this. Change the font. Okay. It says find the effect of increasing a quantity by 20% each year for 3 successive years. So first year, let's say our quantity is 100. Okay, let the quantity be, whenever your quantity is not given, it's better to take it as 100. 100. Okay, so the 100 will be multiplied by 20 over 100. So we have to add 20. So our new quantity will be 120. Now this 120 increases by 20% next year. So 120 multiplied by 20 over 100. So it increases by 24. So new quantity, this is for second year. Okay, so new quantity is going to be 144. Okay, now for the third year, the new quantity is going to be equal to 144 plus 144 multiplied by 20 over 100. Okay, so 144 times 2 is 288 over 10 is 28.8. So this is going to be 144 plus 28.8. So that is going to be 172.8. 172. So this is the effect of increasing in successive 3 years. Okay, this is something called as compound interest, which we will be learning in uh, later topics. If later years, actually, you'll learn compound interest in grade 8 or grade 9, depending on what curriculum you are following. So compound interest is building the or putting the multiplying the percentage to the new value instead of multiplying it to the same value. So you will learn it in detail in grade 8. Okay. So next one is percentage change. So for percentage change, we have to find the change which is equal to final value. Here on we are going to call it as FV minus original value. We are going to call it as OV. Okay. Now, how do we find out the percentage change? So percentage change is given by change over original value multiplied by 100. Now, if it is a decrease percent, now there are two types of percentage change. One is increase percentage change and one is decrease percentage change. So we are going to solve that also. So for decrease percentage change, if you follow the same formula, you are going to get a negative answer. For increase percentage change, you will get a positive answer if you follow the formula. So let's say a quantity changes from 200 to 250. Okay, so what is the percentage change? So first we will calculate the change. What is for change? Change is final value minus original value. So our final value is 250 minus original value is 200, which is equal to 50. Now percentage change is equal to 50 divided by original, which is 200, multiplied by 100. It is equal to 25%. Okay, so the quantity changed by 25%. Now let's see what happens if we go to decrease percentage. So let's say my value decreases from 400 to 250. Okay, so what is my change here? My change is going to be 250 minus 400. The formula will still remain the same, final value minus original value. So it is going to be minus 150. So this minus 150, so my percentage change is equal to minus 150 over 400, because the original value, multiplied by 100. Okay, 150 divided by 4 is how much? 37 points. So we have minus 37.5%. Now, whenever you have positive change, percentage change, it is called percentage increase. When you have negative percentage change, it is called percentage decrease. And when you say percentage decrease, you have to remove the negative sign. So in this case, if we are saying it is percentage decrease, then it is going to be just 37.5%. Okay, because you already know it is decreasing. How about we solve two more and then we will stop. Okay, so let's say a quantity increases from 48 centimeters to 60 centimeters. So what is the change here? Change is equal to 60 minus 48, which is equal to 12, and then percentage change is going to be 12 divided by original value is 48 multiplied by 100. So 12 times 1, 12 times 4, 4 times 1, 4 times 25. So this answer is going to be 25%. Okay, next one we are going to go on a decreased percentage. So let's say 42 kg is decreased to 39 kg. Okay, so what is my change here? It's 39 minus 42, which is equal to 3. So my percentage change is going to be equal to 3 over 42 multiplied by 100. 3 times 1, 3 times 40, 7, 50. So we have 50 over 7%, that is going to be 7 by 7%. That is the, but this one is negative, so we are going to get negative percent. So this is how you calculate percentage change for any given quantity. Now next time when we do it, we are going to see the word problems in which the quantity is going to be, this concept is going to be used, and then we are going to see what are the applications of percentage and percentage change in real life. So what could be the applications of percentage change in real life? Profit and loss, simple interest, then like we did just now, the change in the weight, change in the length, change in number of people, like population calculation and everything. So next week we will see the applications. So remember that ImproMaths Live meets every Monday at 7:30 p.m. on our YouTube channel or on my personal Facebook page. And we discuss grade 7 MYP syllabus. Now grade 7 syllabus is uniform all over the world, more or less. So if even if you are not doing MYP and you are doing any other 7th grade curriculum, you can still learn the basics and use it to improve your studies for 7th grade and above. Anyone who is in 7th grade or above can use these videos. We have a playlist of our previous videos on our channel, so please go and visit it, and if you have any concerns, any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will try to answer them to my best ability. Till then, bye. I will see you next Monday.